Hello friends, welcome to my Ingbita YouTube channel. This is the free new course for English learners. The course name is Basic English Grammar Classes. For the first class, we have the topics. What is a sentence? How can a sentence be formed? And different kinds of sentences that have in English language. So let us answer the first question. What is a sentence? If you see these two lines of words, first killed Bahubali Kattappa, then became Bahubali the king. From these two sentences, could you get any kind of meaning? I mean, it makes any sense? These sentences are wrong because they are not conveying any message. You are not receiving any information which is meaningful. So these two sentences are meaningless. So what could be the correct way of forming a sentence? Here we have. Let us look at the first sentence. Kattappa killed Bahubali. Here you can understand that Kattappa killed Bahubali. Here Bahubali died. That message is conveyed. But in the first lines, killed Bahubali Kattappa, it is not at all a sentence because it is not conveying any message. Then two, became Bahubali the king. Is it make any sense? No. But what is the correct sentence? The correct sentence is Bahubali became the king. So from these two sentences, Kattappa killed Bahubali, Bahubali became the king, these are the correct way of making a sentence. So how could a correct sentence be formed? It is formed in this way. Firstly subject, then verb, then object. This is the basic formula in English language that make a good correct sentence. So as we seen above sentences, we could make definition of the sentence. What is the definition of sentence? Let us look at. A group of words that make a sense of meaning is considered as a sentence. So in detail, Kattappa killed Bahubali. It is a group of words and make a meaning, that is, Bahubali was killed by Kattappa. So here you can clearly understand that Bahubali died. So that message can be conveyed through this sentence. So any sentence which has group of words and that group of words must be in a form of the above pattern, subject plus verb plus object, then it should make a complete meaning for understanding the people. So this is how a sentence can be formed. So let us look at the third one, different types of sentences. Before looking at different types of sentences in detail, we would analyze these 12 sentences. So the first sentence is Rama is a good boy. Radha loves Krishna. Siri does not watch TV. If you look at keenly these three sentences, you would find the first sentence, Rama is a good boy, is a positive sentence. Radha loves Krishna is also a positive sentence. But the third one, Siri does not watch TV. This is a negative sentence. So these three sentences can be put in a category of statement sentences. So what we have in statement sentences are positive sentences and negative sentences. And the remaining one for close the door is an order, and here you are commanding or ordering someone to close the door. And the fifth one, please give me a pen. Here you are taking permission from someone else to take his pen. So it is a request. And the sixth one, may God bless you. Here you are blessing someone by saying may God bless you. So it is a wish. In these three sentences we could come under three sub sentences. What we have, close the door is an order, please give me a pen, it is a request, and may God bless you, it is a wish. So these three things comes under a category called imperative sentences. So what we have in imperative sentences are an order, a request, and a wish. And the remaining ones from 7th to 9th. What a lovely rose it is, how beautiful she is, what a kind man he is. If you observe these three sentences, you would find the situation actually where we could use these kind of sentences. These kind of sentences can be used in a situation where a strong feeling hits you. So these come under the category called exclamatory sentences. So let us go for the remaining ones. From 10th to 12th are questions. What are you doing now? When will they go home? How long does she stay there? These are used to ask questions. So these three sentences comes under category called interrogative sentences. So these are the four different types of sentences. So let us look at each one in detail and its definition and few examples. The first one we have is statement sentences. So let us define it. A statement sentence is the one that is used to express both positive sentences and negative sentences. So let us look at few examples on the type. Krishna reads books. Ravi went to Visakhapatnam yesterday. Andhra University is the one of the best universities in India. She has not come home yet. They will not conduct the examinations in next week. So if you look at these examples, so these are combination of positive and negative sentences. So let us go for the remaining type, and the remaining one is imperative sentence. Let us define it. It is defined as an imperative sentence is the one that is used to express orders, request, or wishes. So let us look at in detail how these sentences are formed. Actually, close the door and please give me a pen. These are understood in this way. You close the door. Here you skipped the subject you, and then could you please give me a pen. Here also you neglected the subject you. So when we order or request someone, here we must understood that the subject you is skipped or neglected. So in orders and requests we must understood that the subject you is understood. So let us go for the third example. May God bless you. Here actually we mean to say actual sentence is I wish may God bless you. So here we skip I the subject. So actually in wishes we skip I subject. So for wishes the subject I is understood. So let us look at the remaining type. The remaining type here we have is exclamatory sentences. Let us define it as we do earlier. So an exclamatory sentence is the one that is used to express a sudden and strong feelings. Let us look at few examples on this type. How pretty that child is. What a coincidence it was. How shameful it is. What a sin it is. What a person you are. These sentences are actually formed in the pattern. If you start exclamatory sentences with what, the formation is like this. What plus article plus noun plus subject plus helping verb plus exclamatory mark. So as in the below. What a coincidence it was. And if you start an exclamatory sentence with the word how, the formation could be follows in this pattern. That is, how plus adjective plus subject plus helping verb plus exclamatory mark. So the sentence could be is like this. How shameful it is. So let us look at the remaining category. Here the category is interrogative sentences. So let us look at the definition of interrogative sentences. Here, an interrogative sentence is the one that is used to ask questions. So let us look at few examples in interrogative sentences. When did you sleep yesterday? Who is he? How long do we walk? Which person do you marry? What kind of shirts have you bought? So this is interrogative sentence. Let us go for the exercise on the entire class 1. Pause the video and do the exercise. So I guess you all get right answers. So let us look at the answers. So thank you all. In next class we would see clearly what comes under subject, verb and object to the next class. So thank you all. Please do subscribe, share, like and comment to Ingvitha YouTube channel. Thank you all once again.